caught him, and we're taking him to the vet. I got him out of his ear, but he won't listen. But we're taking him to the vet to get his bacon bits removed, because when I got him from the auction, they weren't removed, and I'm not comfortable doing it myself. So I get him in the house and I'm looking at him and I can't find his bacon bits. I had to send this to a pig friend to take a look at it because I couldn't find him and she couldn't find him either. So we didn't know if he was actually castrated. And when she looked at him, she couldn't find his bacon bits either. And she was like, "Oh, I don't even see the other boy parts." Wait, isn't that right there in the middle of all the teats there?
Yeah, I think that's it.
So the vet was able to find them. She got him sedated, and she said they were very, very, very little, and that one was hard to find, just feeling around. But once she got him sedated and got the bacon bits, it took like 2 seconds to remove the actual little bacon bits. So the surgery went good, and there he is with his anesthesia because he's bougie like that. Aw, baby. All right, let's get you inside and clean up. How did surgery go? All right, so we're sitting here with the pig right now. We brought him inside since he just had his bacon bits removed and he had anesthesia. So we're just kind of waiting for that to, I guess, wear off. He's ready to go. He's ready to go. Yeah, hey, bacon bits. Got this pig from an auction. Just a little background story. I got him from an auction, and he still had his bacon bits intact. And for me, I looked up how to do it. I'm capable of doing most things around. I've never had pigs before, and when I saw how they do the pigs,
So we do.
I just wasn't comfortable doing that myself. So I went ahead and got the vet to do it for me. He had the bougie treatment on a garage floor and a towel, but the bougie treatment of pain meds and anesthetics. So he had some anesthesia. It's like out of a horror movie, and nothing against the farmers that do it. I know that's how it's done. It doesn't seem very humane to me, and I mean, if you do it and it works for you, I just couldn't do that myself. So I don't know. You want to get going, don't you? The vet looked, and it took her a little bit. She found them. She said they were little. I got him from the auction. He's supposed to be an Idaho Pasture Pig. She said she thinks that there is pot belly in him. So I don't know. I know not much about him, to be honest, because I don't do pigs, or haven't up until now. So maybe there is pot belly in him. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. I weighed him. He's about 15 pounds. So he's a little guy. I don't know how old he is. And the other one from the auction was a lot smaller than he was. I got him 2 weeks ago. So does one make sense? grabbed some blue coat for his ear. I asked for pig nipple waterers and she showed me poultry ones and then she took me to those. So now look here. Well, they didn't have what I needed, so I grabbed some dewormer, some blue coat, just so I have something, I guess. Something to show for my trip out here. And then I think we're probably gonna end up making my own. I saw some do-it-yourself ones, so maybe that's a future video. Going back out to the barn. Look at that hole that's in his ear. I'm gonna put some blue coat on that. But look at that hole that's in his ear from the cow tag.